si te vas.
Going over the basic step, we're going counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 things when you're doing your basic step, make sure you're not taking big steps like this. You don't want to let your leg go outside of your body like your leg is leading, and then you're coming like this. Again, you don't want to step so big. Make sure your legs are under your body the whole time. I'm going 1, 2, 3, nice and small, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second thing is you don't want to pick up your feet so much off the ground as you're doing your basic step. So you don't want to bring the legs so far up, and then it's going to create this your legs are going to pop, your knees are going to pop forward and back. So make sure you don't do this. Keep the feet close to the floor as much as you can to avoid that knee pop. You'll do it a little bit, but not as much as this. Yeah, so again, let's try it again nice and slow. Hands above the waist. We basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's always 3 steps and a tap. We go 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Going over the forward and back basics, starting with our left foot, we're stepping 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. We go 1, 2, 3, tap together. 1, 2, 3, tap together. Again, it's still 3 steps and a tap. Tap. We go 1, 2, 3, tap again. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Going over our side to sides, we're going step taps. We're going step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. I shift the weight and tap, shift the weight and tap, shift the weight and tap, shift the weight and tap. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we go step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. 1 last time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.